Noob. I'm very inexperienced in making games, and over the last 2 weeks, I've been stuck on the same problem. That's the goal. So, if the sphere launches up, player to have control over that. I want the speed of the sphere to impact the movement of cube. So I've been stuck for a while on trying to use joints. So I just need help in understanding how to. I currently just have the two separate versions of code that I'm running for the sphere. All of the code I have up top, highlighted in blue, is all just a bunch of calculations that I'm running for understanding how to manipulate numbers, how to change them, how to like multiply and add in a very specific way, in a very specific format, how to track numbers, how to like increase and decrease based upon the numbers of another variable, right? So all these are different variables, multiply, containing the multiplication factor. This is consistent output. This number identifies how all the other numbers will play out. Now, if I increase the multiply variable, multiply is multiplying by ground zero. And now the result of that whole entire equation is the result variable here. Ground zero is half of zero increase, and once multiply is greater than zero increase value of 2, that zero increase value will add from based. Movement calculations. Just look at what I got right now. Like I'm able to have a con for moving the object. Now what's going to create movement? Do not know how to do that. The equation for rotation reaches 45. This whole entire check here will not be true, so then therefore the movement will stop. This is just a joy to everyone. Here's that I just can't get this right. Huh. I need the bathroom. So at the end of the day, what is it that I'm trying to be doing? Shouldn't have the vector 3 be set to negative x. It should be set to positive. It's x, y, and z. How can we do this? Ta. Why isn't this working, dude? Vector 3 dot right. It's upon the orientation of the object. So what I would actually want is inverse the Here, how about this? This variable sets the change for change rot. Maybe it's just not meant to be. I'm going to be using these videos as a means of expediting my progress, the process, as a means of reinforcement, as this is going to be a daily checkup every single day. Now, what I'm going to do is edit down this video until I reach a 10-minute mark, because I think that's the maximum amount of time that anyone would be willing to sit down and watch this whole entire nonsense. We'll look to increase. Value. Because what's going on here is that change rot is increasing in value. And then don't get it. I don't understand. I don't get it, and I don't understand. Will activate when I'm pressing W. Okay, the checks are slower. Okay, that really isn't working. All of that was really a waste of time. Dude, I have not made any progress. I think I need a way of... I'm tracking the value of the rotation. Set rot isn't the way to go. Dude, I actually think that I found it. Holy shit, that is so clean. Okay. I'd say that I made some progress here. So I'll leave it off. And edit. Maybe setting the movement function I have to rot is not a bad idea.